Stroller or no stroller if you had a week in Europe? I don't know if you can tell the streets, they're bumpy. So, Megan, there we go. We decided to go no stroller. So, we'll see how the backpack does for a week. I can tell you what, these hills are no joke with an extra 25 pounds. Matt, you even carrying her right now? Stroller or no stroller?
No stroller. Look at these steps on hills.
Yeah, they're legit. So at the end of a very, very long day, do you bring a stroller or not? Well, for the record, this is how our kid is right now. And we both still say you don't bring a stroller. At least that's been our experience, because this has been 15 minutes, not the whole day. So at the end of several days, I still say, yes, I'm glad we didn't bring a stroller. There's a couple addendums. First of all, you have to make sure that your kid can walk on his or her own for a little bit. Second, you have to have this kind of backpack, otherwise you're not gonna survive. And third, if you have multiples, then you probably wanna bring a stroller. So let us know what you guys think, and we'd love to compare notes.